Okay, we're starting again. Oh my gosh, one just exploded right over there. Did you see that?
I missed that.
It exploded like right there. I should post this on YouTube. Oh my gosh, they're like hitting the trees. It's crazy. That one didn't even blow up. Oh, there goes some. Are you taking a video now?
Just a picture.
I'm taking one. I should post this on YouTube. This is like crazy. Neighborhood fireworks. Oh my gosh, they're like coming at us. Did you see that? They went over the trees and at us. These neighbors are insane what they're doing. What the heck? They're like going over the trees at us. Oh my gosh, did you see that? That was like right there. Point on grand finale. The heck was that? This is awesome. I'm posting this on YouTube.
Look at that spider.
What?
There's a spider.
And the lightning and all that, that's so cool.
I know, there's a
I like the sizzle ones and the flashbangs.
same. Does it remind you of Call of Duty Black Ops 2?
The flashbangs are like loud and they're like, ugh, and you can't see anything. And the sizzle ones, they just give you like that tickling feeling, kind of. It's so cool.